Hello, Dr. Abrebaya. My name is Lucas and I'm with Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency and I happen to be making some research on your area and I came across your website and your business. And I figured to shoot you this short video on 3 tips that you can use to start beating your competition online. Okay? So please, if you like what you see, get back to me and we can chat. But anyways, I want to keep this nice and short because I don't want to waste your time or mine either. So basically, those 3 tips are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay. Starting with content, that would be everything that is on your website, like all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, what is behind the pictures. All right. All those things are things that the search engine can read and to figure what your business is about, what services you're offering, okay? And because of that, will give you more power and trust to rank in Google. So what they like to see is a lot of keyword-rich, authoritative content, okay? And I see that you here don't have much, so that would be just as easy as making the keyword research, find the terms that people are looking, and just write content for them and rank it. Okay. Then citations would be the second tip. So for example, when you look for Podiatrist Miami, okay, usually this is what you see. Sometimes you see ads up here, then you see the Mac pack, and then the organic results right down there. All right, so the ads are good. There's sometimes a hit or miss. Some people don't click on them either because they had a bad experience in the past with them, or simply, which is very popular, a lot of people had ad blocks on their browsers. So with that, they wouldn't even see the ads. So that's the only thing with those. But right now we're talking about being here, okay, on the top of the MacPack. Here to rank, you need citations, which is basically your business name, address, and phone number, the same way you submit it with Google in another directories or throughout the web. By that I mean like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, NG Star, like all those would count as directories. Okay, so let's say that these guys have 100 citations. You always want to make 50 to 100 more than them, so they can never catch up to you as long as you're checking it regularly. So as soon as they try to catch up, you can always add more, and so on and so forth. Okay, citations always help you ranking here because the more places that you have your business name with your address and phone number, the more trust Google gives you. Okay, the more of a legitimate business they consider you, so it's easier to rank high in Google. And the third part, backlinks, is basically your website name on a different mention on a different website. That when somebody clicks, it directs you back to your website. So this is a lot of different kind of backlinks. They're not all created equal. Some backlinks are more strong than others. Backlinks, all right? It's not the same that your website is mentioned on a regular, let's say, clothing blog or a regular blog, a website that talks about cars or about outdoors, okay? That somebody mentions you in a website that talks about another doctor, or in an article. I see you have some articles here. So if in this article, you in their website, they mention you and your website, that would be, for example, a super strong backlink, okay? And Google would take that as a lot of power and trust for you to rank on Google. So then, in order to put this a little more clear, I'll take your website, put it into Ahrefs right here. This is a tool that we use that gives us an idea of how your business is doing online. Okay, so I see here that the power and trust that Google gives you is pretty good. Okay, I mean it's pretty low, but it's something that we can definitely work on. All right, so it's nothing to worry much about. And then I can see that you have 6 referring domains that give you 8 backlinks. All right, so your website is mentioned 8 times in different websites that you can click and drive back to your website. From this, you're ranking for 5 organic keywords. This is because of the content that you have on your website and the backlinks, okay? So if you click here, you see that you're ranking for these terms right here, all right? The thing is, With this, you're getting 0 people coming through your website every month. So if you go here, for example, Podiatrist Miami, as we looked before, and you see the competition, Edward Bustamante is the first result. When somebody looks for a Podiatrist Miami, a food doctor Miami, this guy pops up, the first one. If we put his website, that would be this one. As you see, he has some pictures, some content, okay? If we put his website onto Revs, okay, Miami Podiatry, Edward Bustamante, you see, he doesn't really have much stronger um, power and trust from Google over here, but you can see that he has 24 referring domains. That gives him 61 powerful backlinks, okay? He's ranking for 165 keywords because of his content and backlinks, and that gives him an organic traffic of around 310 people every single month, okay? As you see here, when somebody looks for Podiatrist Miami, Food Doctor Miami, Miami Podiatrist, Podiatrists in Miami, these ones, all of them, his second position, first. So by doing these 3 things that I just mentioned, the backlinks, citations, and good authoritative content reaching keywords, we can definitely put you up there, okay? And all this that you see that he's getting a month, you could be getting the exact same thing, all right? If not more. So this is pretty much it. So if you like what you hear and what you've seen, and you think I have the knowledge of helping you and doing this for you, please get back to me so we can chat and see how can we approach this. If not, please take these tips for free for you. And the only thing I would ask for is if you can leave me a little review on the video, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.